Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Fit versus Miata. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which vehicle best suits your lifestyle. The Fit excels in practicality, offering impressive cargo capacity and excellent fuel economy for daily commuting. Conversely, the Miata is designed for pure driving pleasure, featuring a lightweight chassis and responsive handling. Let's dive into the specifics of each car. The Honda Fit is a master of practicality, especially with its innovative Magic Seat system. This allows for multiple cargo and passenger configurations, making it incredibly versatile for hauling groceries or larger items. You can get up to 52 cubic feet of cargo space, which is remarkable for a subcompact car. Plus, its fuel efficiency, often around 33 miles per gallon combined, makes it an economical choice for everyday driving. Now, let's talk about the Mazda Miata, a car built purely for driving enjoyment. This lightweight, rear-wheel drive roadster delivers an incredibly engaging experience with its precise steering and balanced chassis. It's not about raw power, but rather the connection between driver and road. The convertible top adds to the fun, allowing you to enjoy open-air motoring on scenic routes. It's a true driver's car. So which car is better for you? If your priority is practicality, cargo space, and excellent fuel economy for daily commutes, the Honda Fit is an outstanding choice. However, if you crave a pure, engaging driving experience, precise handling, and the joy of open-air motoring, the Mazda Miata is unmatched. Both offer unique strengths. Remember to check the description for links to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.